Hello everyone. Today we are going to put together a special set. At least for me, this is my first military based set from the Lego alternatives that are available in Korea. This one is from Oxford Blocks or Oxford Co. Oxford is a South Korean block toy company with roots going back to 1961. It started making block toys in 1992. And the actual Oxford brand / company was formally launched in 1996, and this company is based in Busan, South Korea. This set looks to be based on South Korea's K116 recoilless rifle Jeep, which is a military K111 Jeep, but it is fitted with a 106 millimeter anti-tank recoilless rifle. It's a tactical Jeep, and its official role was to carry a 106 millimeter recoilless rifle for anti-armor use. So let's get to it. So Oxford is kind of like the premium Lego alternative amongst all the brands from Korea, and as opposed to the other brands I covered, which were made in China, this one is actually made in Korea. Color coded, step-by-step instructions on how to put it together. Let's start with our soldier. I have had missing parts in the past with other sets, so let's hope this one has everything. Got arms and a leg. Supposed to be a helmet as well. Could be a yellow bag. And it is. There we go. Our little soldier is ready. Looks a bit bland, which means we have to put a little sticker on him. Let's make that happen. So this is for the Jeep. We have this sticker for his chest. I'm never that good at decals. It does give him more detail, which is nice. There we go. Our first little army man. All right, let's start on the vehicle. These Lego sets are not too hard to put together. They fit really well. They do feel like real Legos. So I prefer this over real Legos for a couple of reasons. Affordability, number one. These are way more affordable, although they do have premium sets that can get expensive. And number two is they have some amazing bigger sets, some fun play sets. Aimed for people who are interested in the military. They have historical sets that I'd like to do in the future. Makes sense. Seems to be going well so far. No missing pieces. Did I just jinx it? There's supposed to be a little single block. It has to go here. But I cannot seem to find it. So let's just continue for now. We have to push in these. Make the wheels. So they use plastic. I prefer rubber. But what can you expect for such a low price? Five tires. There we go. Without it. And maybe we'll get lucky and find it somewhere. All right. Between it is. Okay. Put my steering wheel wrong. Put it in the middle. It's supposed to be here. This one goes here. One, two. 1, 2, and the 1, 1. Two doors. They do fit nicely. They open and close, or they should at least. Three of these. And one, two of these. And two of these little lights. Let's see. We have like this, a light. And we make one the opposite way. And this one just gets covered. Then we get our lights on the front. I think this Oxford set captures the visual details surprisingly well. The green K111 style Jeep body looks really good. I mean, for the price. Okay, time for the front bumper. We're getting really low on pieces. Makes me worry a little bit. Two of these. And two of these. Oh, okay, for this step we have everything. So let's take a look. That is the front bumper. Now we need two of these. We need this one and we need this. Not too bad. I really don't like putting on a decal. And our front window, which should solidify the door, making it able for us to open and close. Very nice. We have our little soldier. Let's make him look this way. Put his hand up. Like on the box art. Okay, this goes on here. It should go on this. Which means one pipe goes in here, other pipe goes in here. This military vehicle is almost done. Oh, I did it the other way around. Like this. And there we go. pretty easy build. Yeah, so this is from Oxford. They have a lot of different categories. This one is from Oxford Town. They do actually have a military category, but I think this was designed before that. It does say Military Jeep, so military series. Yeah, 107 pieces made in Korea. Good quality. I would recommend you to buy this if you're interested in military vehicles and you like Legos or Lego-like products. Definitely buy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.